how to fix your Valorant voice chat not working. The first thing you want to do is check your voice chat settings in game. Go to settings and audio and make sure that your voice chat is set to on and check voice chat volume is not 0. The second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and select the correct input and output device. Go to settings and audio and choose the correct input device, microphone, and the output device to headphone speaker. Then you want to simply go ahead and check push to talk key as well. Go to settings, controls, and check your push to talk key. Press and hold the key while speaking and try a different key if needed. You can also go ahead and allow voice chat in privacy settings. Go to settings and privacy and make sure that you have allowed the voice chat from teammates and make sure that allow voice chat from party is also on. If that is still not working, you can simply go ahead and try restarting your Riot client and your PC and also try updating your audio drivers. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstalling the game.